Hello everyone, 16 years of providing housing loan and mortgage services. I'm Katsunao Sekine, a financial planner. A mortgage that many people use when buying a home. You can make a mortgage for up to 35 years. However, if a 35-year-old borrow a mortgage for a period of 35 years, the payoff age is 70 years old. If you are 40 years old, the payoff age is 75 years old. Therefore, when borrowing a mortgage, there are many people who make a mortgage in 30 or 25 years. I think that the ideal mortgage is to borrow in a short period and pay off until the age of 65. In the first place, how much that the monthly repayment amount and interest amount change if the repayment period is different. Today we assume that you have borrowed a 30 million yen mortgage. I would like to explain how it differs between 25, 30 and 35 years. How much the repayment amount and the total interest amount depending on the mortgage term, I would like to calculate. How much the repayment amount and total interest? This is when you borrow a mortgage at the fixed interest rate of 1.2%. The borrowing amount is 30 million yen and the repayment number is 300 times, that is 25 years. This is a mortgage repayment table. We will look at the red part. The monthly repayment amount is about 110,000 yen. Of this amount, interest will be 30,000 yen and the principal portion will be 80,000 yen. And this is the mortgage balance after 10 years, 6.73 million yen. And here is the total interest. When you pay back a mortgage for 25 years, 4.73 million yen. If you borrow 30 million yen at an interest rate of 1.2% for 25 years, you can see that you pay 4.73 million yen in interest. Next, here is the borrowing period of 30 years. Also look at the repayment table. The monthly repayment amount is approximately 100,000 yen. And here is the mortgage balance when 10 years have passed. It will be 11.22 million yen. The total interest for the 25-year repayment was 4.73 million yen. So the difference is 1 million yen. Finally, we look at 35-year-old repayment. The monthly repayment amount has decreased considerably. This is less than 90,000 yen compared to 25 and 30 years. About 115,000 yen from the top. About 99,000 yen. About 87,000 yen. The remaining debt after 10 years is about 14 million yen. Since the remaining debt repaid in 25 years was 6.7 million yen, the pace of decrease in the recession debt is completely different. And here is the total interest for 35 years. It will be 6.75 million yen. Click here for the first 25-year repayment interest, 4.73 million yen, and 30 years repayment is 5.73 million yen, and 35-year is 6.75 million yen. Each is the difference of 1 million yen. If you really want to get to the real estate you want, you can decide the loan period while considering the interest rate, these interest rates, and the pace at which the principal decreases.